On October 2nd, we are hosting a sales workshop with Coaches Congress. Now, this workshop is going to be hosted by Luke Robinson. He is the head of sales coaching here at Fitness Marketing Agency, and he is responsible for transforming the sales systems of over 1,000 gyms. And in this workshop, you are going to discover the best script and framework to convert prospects into happy to pay clients. We're also going to show you the objection handling masterclass, but not only that, actually how to prevent objections happening in the first place. And we're also going to reveal the exact sales system that over 1,000 gyms are using to get more clients every single month. Plus, we're going to show you how you can get more sales with less leads. So if you want to find out how you can get more sales inside of your gym every single month moving forward, this is the workshop for you. We look forward to seeing you there.